Welcome to Accelerated Engineering. My name is John, and this is a video both to answer a Quora question and showcase a really easy gradebook that I've made. The Quora question was, how do I create a gradebook on Microsoft Excel? And rather than answer the question verbally or in writing, I figured it would be better to just show how to create a gradebook on Microsoft Excel. So the first thing I did was select the data that I thought would want to be presented. I have a column for a couple of different assignments, a midterm and a final, and a few names down the side. This is set up so that the total score is calculated as the average of all of the marks across here, and then the final letter grade will be calculated. I wrote a custom function called getLetterGrade. So for example, let's say that Allie is doing fairly well. She got 86 on this and a 95 on that, and didn't do so well on the midterm, but rocked the final. Good kid. Got an average score of 88 across all of the assignments, midterm and final, and that results in a letter grade of an A. Now, this A is calculated from a table on the second sheet. This sheet just shows the letter grades that I thought were appropriate but could be changed, and the percent scores that I thought were appropriate. It's how I remember being graded during my time at university, but this could be changed however you want. Say everything just needs to be changed by 5%. 85, and we'll just pretend the rest of those are fine for now. And then we could say that this automatically updates. We meddle with the scores a little bit to reduce the averages. We can see that this letter grade changes in a manner that's appropriate according to the total score. And that's a quick and easy way to do this gradebook. Anywhere here from columns B through E, an additional column can be inserted, and the table will just update. If I wanted to say have an extra assignment, not 22, assignment 3, I will have to go through and change the titles. This might be different course to course. It will automatically update, and this formula will just sweep to keep all of the appropriate values. So I can add an extra assignment and throw values in there. I can also continue adding names to the bottom, and because this is an inserted table, it will just keep updating, and all of these columns auto-populate with the prerequisite formulas. The letter grade function is a custom function that I wrote. It is saved here as a lambda function, just called getLetterGrade. And again, that's based on this table here. And I've left a few examples of the text version of this function, but it doesn't, I don't think that it needs to be explained for right now. Everything here referencing this table uses an XLOOKUP function, and it's set to return the next lowest score. So for example, if it searches for the number 94, it says, well, 94 is less than 95 and more than 90, so it will return column 90, and a 94 will result with an A. For example, if I overwrite this, which you shouldn't do, but it comes up with an A. I'll just Control Z to return that. And that is a way that you can make a gradebook using Excel. I hope that you found this to be useful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you found it to be so. I'm going to include a link up here for this tutorial video, and then this spreadsheet will be made available on a link in the description below. I should have some sort of an agreement that says, but if you download it, then you have to at least like the video and subscribe to the channel or something like that. But no, it'll be available for you to use for free. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you managed to keep track of all your data.